Hello. Welcome to the knowledge base on the conscious choice of windows. This is a series of videos prepared for you by the brand Squatokian.pl, which has over 1,000 new windows in standard sizes available immediately and fulfills your individual orders. If you already know that you will be installing sliding windows in your home or residential investment, this episode is for you. You will indeed face the choice of the system in which your window will operate. The most popular system is PSK, which is the tilt and slide system. It has many advantages. It is produced on the same profiles as the windows, so the thickness and color of the lamella will be 100% matched to the other windows. The frame in this system is quite thin, which takes up a minimal amount of light. It is also the cheapest of the systems offered on the market. Some models have an additional option for a system that supports the smooth sliding of the window. However, you should know that compared to the HST and Smart Slide systems, the sliding movement of the PSK window requires the greatest force, and it is not possible to make a window larger than 3 meters in width. The most frequently chosen system by customers is the HST system, which is the lift and slide door. It allows for the creation of large-size windows up to 6 meters in length, meaning a sliding wing length of up to 3 meters. This system also offers exceptional ease of use. The movement occurs on a single track, and there is no need for a tilting motion, as is the case with the PSK system. Additionally, it is a low threshold system. This means it allows for easy movement between the living room and the terrace, which is a convenience for people with disabilities, for example. Our last proposal is the Smart Slide system. Smart Slide is a patio window system that operates by sliding aside. It features a slim profile that tilts inward when the handle is turned and slides freely to the side. It does not require any force, making it a good alternative to HST. Unfortunately, like the PSK system, it has dimensional limitations. The maximum window size can be up to 3 meters in width. Overall, besides choosing the system, the other parameters of the frame and the glazing units are important. They are the same as when choosing all other windows that I mentioned in previous episodes of the knowledge base. That's all for this episode. In the next video, I will talk about the economics of selecting window sizes. See you next time.